Want to make your edits hit exactly like this? Today, I'm going to show you the secret cheat code for buttery smooth mask transitions and velocity curves using CapCut on PC. It looks super advanced, but it is actually really simple once you know the formula. Let's get right into it. First, we have to get our speed right so the clip matches the funk beat. Bring your clips onto the timeline. Click your clip, go up to the top right, and click the Speed tab. Then select Curve. Don't just use the basic speed slider. You want to use the custom curve graph. Drag the start of the curve up so the clip plays fast, and then pull it down right where the beat drops. And duplicate the clip. And reverse. Click on the curve for the duplicate clip. Select the flash out effect and adjust the parameters to your liking. Turn those clips into a compound clip and make another duplicate. To make the clips blend perfectly, we need to cut out our subject. Go to the Remove Background tab on the right side and select Custom Removal. Use the Smart Brush tool to highlight Spider-Man. CapCut will automatically isolate the character from the background. Next, go to the Video tab and click on Mask. You want to select the Filmstrip option. Now let's add that crazy masking using keyframes. Go to the very beginning of your clip, add a keyframe, and set the size to 1080. Next, move your timeline to the exact middle of the clip, drop another keyframe, and pull the size down to 500. Finally, go to the very end of the clip, add your last keyframe, and bounce the size back up to 1080. This gives the clip that heavy pumping movement that matches the beat perfectly. Now, do the exact same thing for the other clips. Combine that mask feathering with the velocity curve we made earlier, and you get a masterpiece. If this tutorial helped you level up your editing game, do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button.